So we've been making this video. This is like the 5th time I'm making it, so we're gonna make it short and sweet. Basically going over the RadRunner display upgrade, why you may or may not want it, as I replace it with a new one. Because for some reason my last one stopped working. Yeah, it goes quite a bit faster. And I still think pedal 4 with the display upgrade is like being a 5-year-old with a cape on. You're boogieing. Problem is once you do that, you have to lie to the bike. And you have to tell it you got a 16-inch wheel and set it to 40 kilometers, which is where people think this will make you go 25, but it doesn't. I contacted Rad and asked them about this, and they said that the RadRunner and RadWagon have different geared hubs, so they will only do 20. So the pros on this are that you can go a little bit faster. It just eats your battery faster. Say a full charge, you're getting about 4 miles less. Some of the other positives with the upgrade are, you got a display. You can see how fast you're going. You can see your mileage. But if you've adjusted it to go any faster, it's null and void. I know this thing topped out, it's doing 21. I track it on satellite trackers. It tells me I'm doing 15. So your mileage isn't accurate, things like that. However, a lot of friends still want it because they do see how much quicker it is if you have a load or a weight or second person on the back. It really does help you. All right.
I seem to be faster. Still think I'm faster.
Like I said, this is the second one we've had. I talked to Rad. Rad said, well, it must be a fuse in your battery. We went through a whole checking the fuses in the battery thing, and that wasn't it. Got back to them. They sent me the original stock replacement, which was nice, and just left them both hooked up. I didn't notice any problems with it. There was no water, it didn't get wet, anything like that. It just stopped. And I was thinking it must be the humidity here. But then I read a guy from Arizona that bike's never seen the rain, is doing the same exact thing as my display upgrade was doing. One good thing without a downfall on this is that it has a USB charger. So if your speakers, your anything, your lights start dimming, you can plug it in. That's a really cool thing about it. So is the display upgrade good? I like it, especially when I'm riding around with the guys on skateboards. This thing has a bit more punch to keep up. I've really missed it over the past couple months. And so hopefully now, kill the battery. Make sure your connections are good. All right, here's the test. Oh, turn the key on. There we go, 0 miles. If you have any other questions, I got tons of data on what this does and doesn't do. It's just, if you're going shorter miles and you're a lighter person, you're fine with it. You can go faster if you're not going over 20 miles. If you're trying to stretch 30 miles out of this, it's gonna hurt you. So, otherwise, have a good day. Hey! Hey! That's not fair.
Well, okay, the seat is definitely comfortable.
Are you letting me catch up?
Yeah.
I'll go ahead, hit it. All right, give him the bike back. Baby, hey, baby.